everybody, this is Jonathan Jameson with Mortgage Specialist, and I am bringing you your Mortgage Matters in Minutes live today. Just wanted to wish everybody a happy holidays this past weekend. Hopefully it went well. Today's topic is something that is useful for the upcoming tax season. So our topic today is use your tax refund to save for a down payment. Just wanted to remind everybody that that is completely allowable. We just have to document that came from your tax returns, and usually that's as easy as showing a statement with that direct deposit from the government. Still wanted to remind everybody that you are able to get a gift from an eligible source. Usually that's a family member, but also remember that you do not need 20% down. So if you are aiming for a minimal down payment, 3 to 5%, you only need to save that, have that in your tax refund, and or have that as a gift. The gift does come with some stipulations as far as documentation that we would need. So just keep that in mind when thinking about that, and give us a call if you have questions on that or any other sources of down payment. We're always here for you. Just wanted to mention one other thing. There was some stats that we have in our blog on our website that we're going to post. Just kind of gives you a breakdown of the U.S. Personal finance people that are doing something with their tax return. You'll see a majority of those people are saving it, but it's all broken down into different categories, so something kind of fun to look at. And really that's all we wanted to go over today. So just remember, you don't always need 20% down. It can be a gift, it can be tax return money. We just have to document it. So if you have any questions, again, please give us a call here, 402-551-5153, or you can go to the website, www.mtg-specialist.com, and read more about this and many other items. Thank you guys. Have a good new year, and hope to see you next time.
Mortgage Specialists. Driven, trusted, reliable.